Okay, Miss Charles here with Java Jive for the basses. Here's your pitch. Doom. Make sure that you're not all the way down there, but match my pitch. 1, 2, and doom, 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 doom. I love coffee, I love tea. I love the Java Jive and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Java and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. I love Java, sweet and hot. Whoops, Mr. Moto, I'm a coffee pot. Shoot me the pot and I'll pour me a shot. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. Oh, slip me a slug from that wonderful mug, and I'll cut a rug till I'm snug in a jug. A slice of onion and a raw one. Waiter, waiter, percolator. I love coffee, I love tea. I love the Java Jive and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Java and me. A cup, cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. Boston beans. I said those itty bitty little green beans. You know that I'm not keen about a bean unless it is a cherry coffee bean. Beginning. I love coffee, I love tea. I love the Java Jive and it loves me. But coffee and tea and the Java and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. Boy. Practice, practice, practice.